please tell me if the screen is visible or not?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Okay. All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
All right. So we begin with models of strategy making. Okay. So basically, there are four major models, and the fifth one is strategy making. Okay. So let us begin with the models. We'll go one by one. We begin the answer from here. That is in 1973. Who's going to read that? Sarita, read करेंगे?
Yes, ma'am. In 1973, Henry Mintzberg listed three models of strategic making: entrepreneurial, adapted, and planning. In 1978, James B. Quinn stated another model called logical increment.
Okay, now listen. Now, firstly, though, Henry Mintzberg only identified three major models. Okay, that is entrepreneurial model, adaptive model, and planning model. Okay, and then as the time went ahead in 1978, James Quinn he identified another model called as logical incrementalism. Okay, so let us understand one by one. Don't get scared with the words now. Okay, we will understand all of them one by one. So moving to, take a second, there are two students in the waiting room. Yeah. Let's begin with entrepreneurial model. Okay.
Entrepreneur model strategy is made by one powerful individual. Bold decisions are taken by a powerful decision maker. The focus is on opportunities and problems are secondary. Strategy is guided by the founder, own vision of director. Example of Flipkart, Amazon, Jeff Bezos, Apple. The dominant goal is growth of the corporation.
Okay, now entrepreneurial model. First of all, I hope you know what strategy is. Okay, we have seen so many types of strategies: growth, stability, internationalization, liquidation, divestment strategies. Now, how to select that which strategy is the most effective strategy for my company? तो उसके लिए पहले मॉडल स्टडी करना पड़ता है. So the very first one is entrepreneurial model. One of the best and one of the most simplest model of strategy making. Okay, over here, one powerful individual is taking the decision. Okay, maybe the CEO of the company or the founder of the company or the owner of the company or someone from the top management is very bold in approach. Bold in approach का meaning क्या है? Is not scared of risk, is not worried about market risk. Okay, he is taking the decision and his major focus is on opportunities. यहाँ पे ना problems secondary है. Okay, जो strategic maker है ना, जो strategy बना रहा है, वो market में opportunities को hop कर रहा है. Okay, he is not considering problems. For him, he thinks that the problems can be tackled. Okay, for him, he thinks that the problems will stay. Problems तो आते ही रहने वाला है. You have to take bold and big decisions. Okay, so such strategy has always been proven to be a huge success for. I think example भी आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में बहुत ब्यूटीफुल दिया हुआ है कि फाउंडर का विजन इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग था ना. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फ्लिपकार्ट, अमेजोन का भी आप लोग स्टोरी पढ़ो. फ्लिपकार्ट, अमेजोन के सक्सेस स्टोरीज, एप्पल की स्टोरी. ओके, फॉर इंस्टेंस जो स्टूडेंट्स आर यूजिंग आईफोन, ओके, उन्हें पता होगा कि कैसे एप्पल ने स्टार्ट किया. ओके, सो द डोमिनेंट गोल over here in this model is growth. Okay, the owner wants to see growth and not the small growth. Okay, he wants to see huge growth. Okay, इसलिए वो लोग major risk ले रहे हैं and they are not taking small risk. Also, for them, they feel that problems तो आते रहेगा. We have to learn to tackle those problems. So this is very important to understand over here कि entrepreneurial model में the strategy maker is a risk taker. He is not focusing on the problems, but he is focusing on the opportunities. Any difficulty here, students?
No, ma'am.
I'm having a little cold, so my voice is, but I hope I'm audible enough.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about others in the session? 35 of you are
Yes,
there.
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. All right. Somebody's put up in the chat. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So entrepreneurial model is very simple. A bold decision maker who is not afraid of problems, who is looking for opportunities in the market, okay, who does not get scared for taking risk. Here, the major idea or the dominant goal is growth. They want to see growth, growth, growth. Okay. Now let us go to adaptive model, the second type of model. Okay, Sarita, yes.
Adaptive model, a coalition of decision makers react to environmental pressure with small and disjoint steps. Strategy is fragmented and is developed to move a company forward incrementally. Focus on existing problem rather than searching for new opportunities. It aims at finding out reactive solution to existing problems rather than proactive search for new opportunities. Generally, bold decision may not be taken for the fear or unknown. More emphasis on short-term outcomes rather than developing and implementing long-term strategies.
Yeah, I think very simple to understand. Opposite of entrepreneurial model is adaptive model. Over here, the strategy maker does not want to go very fast. Okay, he is focusing on solving the existing problems before looking for the new opportunities in the market. Okay, तो यहाँ पे जो strategy maker है ना, वो नए अपॉर्चुनिटीज को बाद में देखेंगे. उनको ऐसा लगता है जो कंपनी के एग्जिस्टिंग प्रॉब्लम्स है पहले उसे सॉल्व की जाए. ओके, यहाँ पे बोल्ड डिसीजंस अवॉइड है. ओके, योर मोर एम्फेसिस इज दैट टू ऑन द शॉर्ट कम आउटकम्स. ओके, कि अभी के इफेक्ट में मेरे को क्या मिल रहा है, लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स या लॉन्ग टर्म स्ट्रैटेजीज के ऊपर इतना प्लानिंग नहीं है. ओके, आई थिंक दिस इज द मोस्ट I would say inappropriate method of working. Okay, you should always remember one thing: business will give you either good days or bad days. Okay, you have to be prepared. You should have the courage to face losses also. Okay, if you are making profit, you should also have the. Why did you enter into business? You entered because you know, okay, that there is going to be definitely there will be one day you might make good money, the other day you might not make good money. Okay, so this is not a service where you will get the fixed income, right? So you should have the courage to bear the losses also. Okay, तो अगर आप ऐसे खाली शॉर्ट टर्म आउटकम्स में अगर फोकस करते हो ना, बहुत पीछे रह जाएंगे. ओके, अगर आप एक बिजनेस चला रहे हो ना, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड यू शुड थिंक फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म. ओके, आगे जाके अपने बिजनेस को क्या रूप देना चाहते हो, आज से 5 साल बाद उसे कहाँ देखना चाहते हो, वेयर डू यू सी योर कंपनी आफ्टर अ डेकेड. दिस इज हाउ अ राइट बिजनेसमैन अप्रोच वुड बी. Okay, he is not going to focus on what he is getting now. He should focus on what he is going to get in the future. So adaptive model is not a desirable model, at least not for the modern organizations. You got to be a little risk taker. Okay, you have to have a bold approach. I think students अभी ये जो competitive environment है बाहर, आप देख रहे होगे ना, इतने लार्ज कॉरपोरेशंस को है ना, दूसरे लार्ज कॉरपोरेशन से जितना कंपटीशन है ना, उतना ही किसी एक ऐसे बंदे से भी कंपटीशन है जिसको इंटरनेट यूज करने आता है, जिसके आइडियाज ग्रेट है, जिसको इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, anyone can get into the competition. Okay, large corporation is having competitions from everywhere. Okay, so in this competitive environment, if you are not taking bold decisions, I think not that you will be out of the competition soon, but also you will be less effective. People will not remember you. लोग आपको इतना जानेंगे नहीं. एक entrepreneur को कौन कैसे जाना जाता है, कि अभी हमारे कंट्री पे इतने entrepreneurs है, फिर भी हम जब आपको एग्जांपल्स देना है, we take Tata as example, we take Ambani's example. And why is like that? Okay, because they are known for their bold decisions. They have their graph is excellent. Okay, they are their performances in different industries is proven to be, they have benchmarked and they've proven to be correct. So therefore, we take their names, right? So I think, अगर आप आज bold decisions नहीं लेते हो, तो people are not going to remember you. So adaptive model is just the opposite of entrepreneurial model. I hope it is very easy to understand, guys, and I'm not going very fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या सीख रहे हो आप लोग? Come on. Others also are going to repeat, huh? What are you learning? Come on.
Models of
Answer.
strategy.
वेरी गुड. मॉडल्स ऑफ स्ट्रैटेजी मेकिंग, उसमें आपने क्या कंप्लीट किया है बताइए. फर्स्ट वन कौन सा मॉडल?
Entrepreneurial model.
या वेरी नाइस महक. Only Mehak is replying. I don't know what about the other 34, 35 students. Entrepreneurial model क्या बोलता है? Come on.
Taking bold decision.
Very nice. And looking for opportunities. Okay. Please, when I ask you, देखो महक ने बहुत अच्छे से आंसर किया that taking bold decisions. But the complete answer is you focus on opportunities. There is someone in the company who is a bold decision maker. Problems are secondary. Okay, the major goal is to grow. What is adaptive model? Come on.
Focus on existing problems.
Very nice. Focus on the existing problems. Okay, and whatever environmental pressures are coming, okay, you need to react to them. What is environmental pressure, students? I hope you remember business operates in internal and external environment. तो अगर environmental pressure आ रहा है, customer का preferences change हो रहा है, या फिर government की policies change हो रही है, तो ये adaptive model क्या कर रहे हैं? इन problems को tackle करने में believe करते हैं, instead of moving ahead with finding the new opportunities in the market. Okay, they are more reactive in approach instead of proactive. Okay, यहाँ पे bold decision is not something taken into account, and short term goals are something more focused on rather than long term goals. I hope the answer is very clear with all the
Yes,
students.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, except for Aisha, Sarita and Mehak. I don't know what are others doing. Akhila, Farhan, Qureshi, Bhaktiyar, Faiz, Junaid, Narayan Chauhan to जाने ही दो. Ram, Rajbar, Sachin Singh, Aditi, Jaisi, Ritesh, Kausar, Subhashini, Sadaf, Riza Surve, Kajal, Zeba, Sham, Sejal, Bilal, Hashim, Bakir, Razad. Bapre, there are so many students in the session. Sayyid, Sabah, Ahad Qureshi, Afreen, Mojiz, Gauri. सबका नाम
I'm
ले
on
लिया
the
मैंने.
way.
हाँ, सबका नाम ले लिया. I hope all are listening to the answer very carefully.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And today Nasir is not there in the session.
No, ma'am, he is not well.
Why? Why absent? Morning में भी नहीं आए क्या? Don't reply in the chat box. You can unmute yourself. But not with school going kids. No school going kids do all those things. Have that much of confidence. Unmute and say yes. उतना confidence होना चाहिए. You are in BMS. Okay. Gentle reminder to all of you. After you join the company, you are expected to talk. Okay. वहाँ पे जाके finger on the lips करके नहीं बैठना है आपको, है ना? So I expect all of you to please start replying to the answers. Okay, Kausar is on the way to college. No issues. Okay, that makes me remind you that your document submission or exam form enrollment is pending. Kindly do that. Okay, which जिनका हो गया है, they can ignore. जिनका pending है, kindly do it. Okay, moving on to planning model. All right.
Planning model. Strategics integrate strategic decision into systematic plans. This decision-making model involves strategic gathering of information for situation analysis, the generation of feasible alternative strategies, and the rational selection of the most appropriate strategy. It includes both the proactive research for new opportunities and the reactive solution of existing problems.
Okay, so planning model is a combination of entrepreneurial model and adaptive model. Entrepreneurial is a bold model, okay, risk taker. Adaptive model is solving the problems. So planning model is a combination of both. Okay, planning model states that you be reactive as well as be proactive. Reactive यानी कि आप problems को भी solve करो and slightly you also look for opportunities in the market. Okay, I think planning model is the best model. ये इस तरीके से अगर आप आगे जाओगे तो आपका स्ट्रैटेजी अच्छा आउटकम देने वाला है. टेक्स्ट बुक में एक एग्जांपल है which I want you to read on your own, and we move on to the next one, which is logical incrementalism.
Logical incrementalism. This decision-making model can be viewed as a synthetic of these of the planning, adaptive, and to a lesser extent the entrepreneur model. This approach appears to be useful when the environment is changing rapidly and when it is important to build consequence before committing an entire corporation to a specific strategy. In contrast to other system of planning such as top-down, bottom-up, and so on, incrementalism advocates that one should concentrate on dealing with the immediate problems as they arrive and avoid trying to create an overall strategy planning. Ma'am, continue.
हाँ, continue. एक second.
The advantage of incrementalism over other formal systems in that no time is wasted planning for outcomes which may not be occurred. Disadvantages are that too much time may be wasted dealing with the immediate problems and no overall strategy is developed.
Okay, so logical incrementalism means what? Again, it is a combination of the previous three models. Okay, I just have a quick recap of what we have done. Entrepreneurial model, the bold model. Adaptive model, less risk taker, solving the environmental pressures and problems and looking for the opportunities as secondary. Planning is a combination of adaptive and entrepreneurial model, taking the bold decisions also, but also solving the existing problems. Now, what is logical incrementalism? It states that you have to, focus on solving the immediate problems, again, looking for the better opportunities, but do not go for the major strategies of the company. Okay, overall strategy of the company is not developed. They are going with a very mini steps. Okay, they're going to solve the problem as and when they come. Okay, they will look up for the small opportunities, but they are not going to look up for the overall strategy of the organization. Advantage क्या है? आप ऐसा करने से you are going to not waste time in making those strategies जो शायद future में कभी काम ही ना आए. और उसका disadvantage क्या है? You will be wasting a lot of time, okay, in solving the existing problems, and in the hand you have no formal and overall strategy of the company. Okay, there are systems of planning or students top down, bottom up, ये सब अलग अलग system होता है planning का. Okay, और incrementalism मतलब क्या? इंक्रीमेंट क्या होता है? स्लोली इंक्रीजिंग. ओके, तो यहाँ पे ना ये मॉडल में लॉजिकल इंक्रीमेंटलिज्म में आप स्लोली इंक्रीज करने में की बात करते हो. यू स्लोली वांट टू ग्रो, यू आर नॉट in the desire to grow very fast. Okay, but in such cases where you are trying to become too logical, okay, and when your steps are very 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 calculative, आपका business grow बहुत slow होगा. ओके, आप सेफ एनवायरनमेंट में ही रहोगे, आप सेफ स्टेप्स ले रहे हो, लेकिन ये सेफ स्टेप्स आपको फास्ट ग्रोथ एंश्योर नहीं करने वाले. I can relate this example to so many students who are already working and having small businesses of their own. See, if you are going to take a small steps to get your business known to your people through WhatsApp or you can say statuses, it is a very mini step, guys. You are just kind of possibly you're just kind of showcasing the kind of products you are offering, okay, the kind of services you are offering, but you're reaching out to only those people जिनका contact आपके phone में है. Are you reaching out to those people जिनका contact आपके phone में नहीं है? No. You are looking for growth, but you are looking for a safe growth. अगर आप सेफ ग्रोथ को टारगेट करोगे तो आप फास्ट ग्रोथ कभी नहीं कर पाओगे, है ना. रिस्क लेना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जब तक आप रिस्क नहीं लेते हो, जब तक आप एक लार्ज ऑडियंस तक नहीं पहुंचते हो, आप कभी वो चीजें जो आपके माइंड में है ना, यू वांट टू बी अ गुड एंटरप्रेन्योर, वो कभी कैसे बनोगे? बिकॉज यू आर रेस्ट्रिक्टेड योरसेल्फ टू ओनली योर नोन पीपल. Okay, that won't help you. Okay, for example, we have some students who are doing brilliant, okay, when it comes to handling their own business, but I think they are restricted to only their own WhatsApp platform. Okay, you have to go one step ahead, reach out to the audiences in large size. Okay, don't just focus on the slow growth. Okay, learn to take risks, because in this competitive atmosphere you cannot always think very logical, and you cannot always go with small incremental steps. Okay, I think bold and risk taker बनोगे तो definitely your business, और जब तक नहीं बनोगे तब तक आप और अगर आपको फियर है ना लॉसेस का, तो आप तो बहुत टाइम चला जाएगा टू मार्क योर पोजीशन इन द बिजनेस. दैट वुड टेक टू लॉन्ग. Okay, so in that case, I think entrepreneurial model is the best model. Of course, planning model is something very suggestive. Logical incrementalism says that solve the problem, get the opportunities, but the growth that they are targeting is very slow. They are not believing in framing the overall strategy of the firm. The last sentence written here is, in this model, the strategist may take small and logical incremental steps to achieve the organizational goals. अगर आप छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स लोगे तो आई थिंक people are not going to remember you. Okay, you may get growth, okay, but you may be very slow in the competition. Okay, very behind. Okay, so I think यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल. आई जस्ट वांट टू ये वाला एग्जाम्पल एक बार रीड कर लेते हैं. असरिका रीड करोगे?
Yes, ma'am. An example would be in small changes that make way for a bigger overall change to get passed unnoticed. A series of small steps towards an agenda would be less likely to be questioned than a larger and swift change. For instance, the rise of petroleum price, the company would only raise the price by a few rupees every week instead of a large change to a target price overnight. More people would notice and dispute a dramatic 100% increase overnight, while a 100% increase over a span of several weeks may not be questioned by public.
Yeah, I think unnoticed changes जो होता है ना, ये सेक्टर्स के लिए ठीक है. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप पेट्रोल प्राइसेस, ओके, इससे गवर्नमेंट देखो ना कैसे 1 रुपया बढ़ाया, 1.5 रुपया बढ़ाया, लोग इतना झगड़ेंगे नहीं. अचानक से अगर आप 10 रुपया 20 रुपया बढ़ाते हो, ओके, और ड्रामेटिक हो गया एकदम ओवरनाइट, और लोग प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे और पता नहीं क्या कुछ नहीं करेंगे. तो गवर्नमेंट क्या करती है, अगर उनको बढ़ाने का है ना 20 रुपया, तो वो आज से 3 महीने का टारगेट रखती है. ये 3 महीने के अंदर 2 रुपया 1.5 रुपया 2 रुपया 1.5 रुपया 5 रुपया बढ़ा के 20 रुपया बढ़ा देती है. ओके, तो ये जो स्मॉल स्मॉल इंक्रीमेंटल स्टेप्स है ना, इससे आपको लोग रिएक्ट नहीं करेंगे. लेकिन अगर आप ड्रास्टिक स्टेप्स लोगे तो लोग आपको रिएक्ट करेंगे. ये कौन से सेक्टर के लिए एडवाइजेबल है? ऐसे सेक्टर के लिए जहाँ पे पब्लिक का रिएक्शन टू द कॉस्ट ऑफ द ऑफरिंग के ऊपर लाउड होने वाला है, वहां पे ये लॉजिकल इंक्रीमेंटलिज्म चलेगा. Okay, such kind of logical incrementalism is suitable for most of the government sectors. Okay, and when you are running a corporates, you cannot be doing like that. Okay, I think adaptive model का जो shortcomings है ना, वो logical incrementalism में दिखाई देगा आपको. Since you are spending time in only solving the problem and you are not giving importance to fast growth, okay, you will be somewhere behind in the competition. Okay, और जो सबसे लेट होते हैं ना कंपटीशन में, धीरे धीरे वो आउट भी हो जाते हैं. Okay, आपको लोकलाइट्स खाली बस जो लोकल कस्टमर्स है वही शायद आपको रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे. आपको मेजर सारे कस्टमर्स रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करेंगे. I hope the answer is very simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And
Yes,
the-
ma'am.
All right. And the last one is strategy making model. ये मैं आपको इसलिए नहीं एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ क्योंकि ये हमने ऑलरेडी वन बाय वन अंडरस्टैंड किया है. हम पहले कॉर्पोरेट स्ट्रैटेजी बनाते हैं, दैट इज ग्रोथ होना चाहिए या फिर स्टेबिलिटी होना चाहिए. फिर हम बिजनेस लेवल स्ट्रैटेजी बनाते हैं, कॉस्ट या फिर डिफरेंशिएशन. फिर हम फंक्शनल लेवल स्ट्रैटेजीज बनाते हैं, विच इंक्लूड्स R&D, मार्केटिंग, फाइनेंस, HR, प्रोडक्शन, राइट. फिर हम ऑपरेटिंग स्ट्रेटजीज बनाते हैं कि हर एक डिपार्टमेंट का कैसा स्ट्रेटेजी होना चाहिए. तो फिर फॉलो द हायरार्की. ओके. एंड द हायरार्की स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम. ओके. सबसे पहले आप कोऑपरेट स्ट्रेटेजी बनाते हो, उसके बाद बिजनेस लेवल, उसके बाद फंक्शनल लेवल, उसके बाद ऑपरेटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी. दिस इज हाउ योर कंपनी ऑपरेट्स. हाँ स्टूडेंट्स, यू ऑलवेज बिगिन विद द कॉर्पोरेट लेवल स्ट्रेटजीज. ओके. ओवरऑल कंपनी कैसा चलना चाहिए, ओवरऑल गोदरेज का ये क्या है, एम क्या है. ओके. दैट इज कॉर्पोरेट लेवल. ओके. ये क्या हो गया. हाँ. आई होप द व्हाइट बोर्ड इज विजिबल.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So my first goal is corporate strategy. It's not typing, guys. Forget it. आया ना अभी. हाँ.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Corporate level. Okay. That means overall Godrej को क्या strategy बनानी चाहिए. Okay. That is corporate level. फिर उसके बाद में Godrej can go with business level. Okay. Business level में it can decide कि उनका GCPL क्या प्लान कर रहा है, उनका नेचर बास्केट क्या प्लान कर रहा है, उनका वॉइस क्या प्लान कर रहा है. वो बिजनेस लेवल स्ट्रैटेजी हो गया. ओके. उसके बाद में गोदरेज क्या डिफाइन करेगा, हर एक बिजनेसेस का फंक्शनल लेवल स्ट्रैटेजी. क्योंकि कंपनी चलाना है तो फंक्शनल लेवल स्ट्रैटेजी बनाना पड़ेगा ना. कौन सा होता है फंक्शनल लेवल, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोडक्शन, मार्केटिंग, फाइनेंस, HR. ये मेजर फंक्शन है. उसके बाद R&D आ गया. ओके. उसके बाद में फिर ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट आ गया. ये सारे बाद में आते हैं, पहले प्रोडक्शन, मार्केटिंग, फाइनेंस और HR आएगा. उसके बाद R&D, ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट, IT, ये सारे फंक्शंस के आप स्ट्रेटजीज बना सकते हो. After you frame the functional level strategy, you go ahead with the operating strategy. Operating में क्या आएगा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल HR strategy. तो HR में आप क्या क्या करोगे, रिक्रूटमेंट का स्ट्रेटेजी कैसा होना चाहिए, सिलेक्शन का स्ट्रेटेजी कैसा होना चाहिए, प्रमोशन का स्ट्रेटेजी कैसा होना चाहिए, कॉम्पेंसेशन कंपनी को कैसे डिसाइड करना चाहिए. ओके. ऑल दिस. ओके. फिर एग्जाम्पल में मार्केटिंग में आती हूँ, तो मार्केटिंग में क्या क्या होता है, सेल्स कैसा करेंगे हम लोग. ओके. प्रमोशंस कैसे करेंगे हम लोग, आई मीन द सेल्स प्रमोशन. फिर पब्लिसिटी कैसे करेंगे, है ना. 1 सेकेंड. ओके. पब्लिसिटी कैसे करना है, राइट. फिर प्राइसिंग कैसा करना है, बिकॉज दे ओनली डिसाइड द प्राइसिंग, राइट. सो ऑल दिस small strategies framed at the functional level becomes the operating strategy. Please remember this hierarchy, students. Corporate, business, functional, operating. Corporate at the top. आपकी खुद की कंपनी है, आपने 10 बिजनेस खोल रखा है, तो सबसे पहले आप स्ट्रैटेजी क्या बनाओगे, ओवरऑल स्ट्रैटेजी विच इज फॉर ऑल द बिजनेसेस. ओके. फिर उसके बाद में आप बिजनेस लेवल पे आओगे, उसके बाद आप फंक्शनल लेवल पे आओगे, एंड लास्टली ऑपरेटिंग लेवल पे. ये जो ऑपरेटिंग लेवल होता है ना, ये रूटीन लेवल होता है. इस पे बहुत चेंजेस हो सकते हैं, इसके शेड्यूल भी चेंजेस हो सकते हैं, लेकिन कॉर्पोरेट लेवल आपका चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. कॉर्पोरेट लेवल स्ट्रैटेजी आपका फिक्स्ड रहना चाहिए. I hope the answer is simple to understand, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then I'll be meeting the HR students in my third lecture. Okay, and I guess I stop here. कुछ doubts रहेगा तो you can get